Hi everybody. Oh, there are so many different and interesting but at the same time concerning issues in the world, and this filters down into real estate. And if we look at the absolute traumas that have been caused by COVID, this is incredible. And this has forced developers of property to rethink. And yes, in the last while, they're rethinking the greening and they're adding this to buildings that is adding value, a lot of value. Greening being reducing carbon footprints and sustainability and reducing energy. But this is not enough. We need to look at a circular economy. There is so much waste, and the circular economy will look and identify how we use, reuse and dispose of everything. And the construction industry is the largest consumer of raw materials. Now, why is it that so often these raw materials are used and then accountants depreciate everything? I find this a bit strange. So how can a property developer rethink? What are the challenges? There are a lot. Will it be more expensive? I think ultimately it would save a lot of money, because buildings are used for 12 hours. Possibly they could be used for the other 12 for something else. Possibly town planners can rethink a little bit and not put everything in a box. We are forced to build what we are allowed to build. And very often buildings or land stands empty that could be utilized correctly and more efficiently and effectively. In the life cycle of a property, as it always does have, that life cycle, instead of coming to an end in real estate, can be reused for something else. Developers can possibly consider having a multifaceted approach for a property, i.e. thinking a little bit longer term about building a property with more possibilities and opportunities. So as we move forward, I look forward to how they're going to use greening and the circular economy in tandem with each other. Happy investing, happy developing.